It's Chris in St. George today. Yeah, I get around. And here we have a perfectly good example of why I can't stand synthetic turf. There are some really talented people out there installing it and doing a really great job. Unfortunately, the vast majority of people installing synthetic turf take advantage of your lack of knowledge and the fact that you don't see everything that's going on. And the other thing I really don't like is it involves nails. And if you have to nail your grass into the ground, that's not very cool. So these nails are used by installers. They're supposed to go around the edge and into some 2x4, 2x6s. Hopefully they're using redwood, because we can just imagine what's going to look like if they're using fir. If they're using fir in many areas, that ain't going to last more than a year or two and the nails start coming out. Then we can see this cheap-ass bastard. Well, he just put it over the rock. There's one of those nails right there. They did not use any seam tape. That's why it's coming up there. You just put it right over the dirt. And you can see the seams up here. It's just another nail. A whole bunch of nails. See, the quality control on this stuff is horrendous. They did not put any infill, so when it gets hot and people walk on it, it mats down. This is what most people get when they buy artificial turf. Many of the turf wholesalers have a list of contractors who do really well. See if you can get one of those. And when you're having someone give you a quote for artificial turf, you want detailed specifications. I'll try and find some detailed specs and put them up on the internet, on the website. We do sell it, but I don't go out of my way to sell it. Once again, I'm a firm believer in warm season grasses for the desert, Bermuda and such. So I have a huge bias in the fact that I'm against it, but I'm against it for really good reasons. It's not environmentally responsible, even if it saves water. It's not even sure it saves water, since the water runs off of it, goes down the street, and it's not usually caught in an impoundment basin. Probably increases flooding in many areas because it's washing off at such a rate that it's not leaching into the soil. We need the rain to percolate into the ground. Anyways, here's my rant. Here's a perfect example of why I'm right and everybody else is wrong.